Hi, so here we're testing our KVM over IP solution. So here they have the setup. Basically, we have a Apple PoE switch. Then we have this LAN cable connect to the Wi-Fi router, and this is the IP control box. Here we have the first transmitter, which is connected to the laptop on this side. Then on this one we have the LAN cable and the USB and the HDMI for the video. And then on this side, through this yellow LAN cable connect to this receiver. Here on the receiver side, basically we have an HDMI connect to the TV here. And then we have the USB, which is for the cable and the Xbox switch. And now we have this USB cable connected, and we can see where they have the battery moved out. And basically with this one we are able to control the play the games. And actually the Xbox, the host, we have placed connect to this green LAN cable, which is in another room. So this is the green LAN cable. Then we have it placed here. This is the Xbox unit. Then we have the HDMI output connect to the back side of the transmitter. Then we have this one is the USB cable, and from the Xbox connected. Then this is the green LAN cable, which connect to the Apple PoE switch. And basically right now you can see we have the power over the internet over the LAN cable connect to this transmitter. It's already connected. That's why we can play the game in another room through the LAN cable. We also can just simply press the ID key here. Then we can just press for 3 seconds. Then we can switch to another source. Press again, you will switch back to the another source. And this is the cable. With this one, we also can control the Xbox. Right. So can change the resolutions, or we can just press the ESC to back. And this is the switch. We have the ID key, switch to another source, which is from the laptop. We also can use the same cable to control it. Okay, thank you.